Hey, so if you want to learn how to use TradingView for stock analysis, yes, this is one of the most tools for studying market trends, finding setups, and planning trades. In this guide, I'll break it down step by step. First, open TradingView and search for any stock you want to analyze. For example, you can search Apple, Tesla, or any company you're interested in. Now, this is your main chart. Each candle shows price movement. Green means price went up, and red means price went down. Next, check the overall trend. If the market is making higher highs and higher lows, it's an uptrend. If it's making lower highs and lower lows, it's a downtrend. Now let's add some indicators to improve analysis. You can add RSI for momentum and MACD for trend confirmation. Next, mark support and resistance levels. These levels show where price often bounces or reverses. Don't forget volume. It shows how strong a move is. High volume means strong interest. Low volume means weak movement. Before taking any trade, always plan your entry, stop loss, and target. This helps you control risk and avoid emotional decisions. So yeah, that's how you use TradingView for stock analysis. Once you combine trend, indicators, and support resistance, your analysis becomes much more accurate. Hey, so